fighter jet have struck Hezbollah military infrastructure in Lebanon. Israel Defense Force said in an update Sunday. Earlier, the IDF said it was responding fire coming from the Lebanon. At the same time, a report was received responding a shooting toward IDF. Soldier along the border of Lebanon. It said adding IDF soldiers in the area were responding with live fire. This fighting is more contest on northern Israel and southern Lebanon, separate from the Israel's fighting with Hamas further south, which is centered around Gaza. But an uptick in clashes with Hezbollah has raised fear the powerful Lebanon paramilitary group could actively participate in the conflict. Hezbollah has unambiguously supported the Palestinian militaries.
An attempt to relieve the pressure from Gaza, but right now with